Now, 2019 attack on the 23 100-meter champion Waseem Williams says he's taking positives from the 2020 season despite the postponement and cancellation of his two most anticipated championships. The 23-year-old sprinter, who was looking forward to the now cancelled NCAA championships and the postponed Olympic Games, is now just focused on his academic pursuits. He spoke to Jordan Fort via video call on Saturday.
The NCAA Championships is the major event on the collegiate calendar for any Division I student athlete. But that is no longer the case for this season, after the 2020 edition had to be cancelled due to COVID-19. It means Jamaican Waseem Williams, who is a senior at Purdue University, won't get the opportunity to improve on his fourth-place finish in the 100 meters from last season, at least not for this year.
It's kind of disappointed because my team had a strong momentum leading off of the indoor season, and I was looking forward to the performances that were going to be, because as I said, I had a strong team. I was especially excited for our, because we had an audition and a PR indoors, so I was looking forward to that 100-meter time outdoors as well.
The 23-year-old, who holds a personal best of 10.01 seconds for the 100 meters, would also have been looking forward to a first-ever Olympic appearance this year. But though he'll have to wait until at least next year to see that dream become a reality, he does see a positive from the postponement of the Olympics.
I think one more year will be convenient for me because I have a lot of niggles working on injuries and so forth. So, I mean, I think it will be beneficial in my part, because I have a lot of things, as I said, I want to work on, injuries, getting flexible and stuff like that. So I think it would be beneficial.
Williams, who is currently staying off campus due to the closure of schools, says he has been following the guidelines of social distancing.
I mean, I haven't been outside a lot, apart from going to the stores to get in essentials. But everything else has just been indoors.
Williams, who is a NACAC Under-23 champion from last year, says he is now focused on fulfilling his academic requirements for the rest of the school semester. He will, however, get back the opportunity to compete at the prestigious Outdoor Championships next year after the NCAA granted all athletes an extra year of eligibility due to this season's cancellation. He also has another year of indoor eligibility, having redshirted the indoor season in his freshman year, and says he has every intention of competing in both next year. Jordan Fort, TVJ Sports.